Today I would like to talk to you about taking responsibility for the end of life of your product, cradle to grave as it's been called. And in particular, I'm speaking to pharmaceutical companies, any companies that produce products in blister packs. There is a huge demand amongst your consumers for these to be responsibly recycled and not sent off to landfill. You know, your customers recognise that these are precious resources that are not to be wasted. So where Biome comes into it is that since we opened our first store back in 2005, almost 15 years or so ago in Brisbane, we've been providing a service to our customers to help them recycle what we call hard to recycle items. Back in the day, it was mobile phones, batteries, printer cartridges, and since then we've evolved to other things that are hard to recycle, such as medication blister packs, bottle tops, bread tags, beauty packaging. We're fortunate in Australia to have TerraCycle, who provide the specialist service to recycle these blister packs. But actually it comes at a cost, and that cost right now is being borne by Biome and by some other small businesses that are also offering this service. So we collect them from our customers, but then we have to pay thousands of dollars to send them to TerraCycle and have TerraCycle recycle them. So that it doesn't quite add up, right? Because the companies that make these products are profiting from producing them, selling them to consumers, putting them out in the market. But we are the ones who are paying the cost to recycle them at the end of their life. So I think it's time for all the pharmaceutical companies in Australia to step up and clean up your own mess.